Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Remove batteries or unplug the cable so you don't short anything. Once done, unscrew the back plate and lift the shell gently to reveal the button assemblies. Make sure to note screw locations and orientation as you go. While you're inside, visually inspect the rubber dome, plastic button cap, and PCB under each button for debris, wear, or corrosion. This quick check tells you if cleaning or part replacement is next. Next, focus on the contact surfaces. Apply 90% plus isopropyl alcohol with a cotton swab and gently clean the PCB pads and underside of the rubber dome. While cleaning, press each button repeatedly to work out trapped dirt and help the solvent evaporate. This restores contact conductivity. If you find pitted pads or weak tactile response, prepare to replace the micro switch or rubber dome, desolder, or swap the part. Make sure to finish by reassembling the controller carefully. Align housings, tighten screws to snug, not over tight, and reinstall batteries or plug it in. Then power up and run a button test in your console or PC diagnostics. Press each button firmly and observe responses. If needed, update the controller firmware and run calibration to clear software mapping issues. If the problem persists after cleaning and firmware checks, replace the specific switch or PCB section, and if that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.